So this Boolean algebra, this your K map, how to solve K map? I have already showed you how to with up to 4 variables K map representation, 2 variables, 3 variables. Now this is a 4 variables. Especially the question comes from the 4 variables, and you have to learn some more on 4 variables. How to solve the solution, the equation. Now you see there are 3 ways are there. There are pairs, there are quads, and then octets. So this is one your K map design here. It is there. I didn't write inside that. You have to write the m value. This is ABCD, or other way you can write. Now whatever question will be there. So this and this cell are there. These 2 cells, these 4 cells are there. Out of that we have to take relationship like this way. So this if you take relationship like that, then 2 together like this way, then we can call it this is a pair. But you cannot have relationship like this. You cannot have this type of relationship. This is not allowed. So this diagonal relationships are not allowed at all. So this it is a pair. Then when it is a quad, it is a 4. Exactly same way this diagonal you cannot use it. So this is one quad. This is another quad. While it is taking both sides, this one become twice. While you are considering this one considered, while you are considering this one, that is allowed. So this is called overlapping group. So this type of because for the sake of taking common, so you can take one cell or 2 cell common. That will not be any difficulty. So this type of relationship is a quad, and then if it is like this, 8 cells like that type of format, you can take it a octet. This octet you can take it. This can be considered as a pair. These are the pair. These are the pair. And this is the pair, that you can make it a pair. But if there is this type of cells are told to solve it, you have to go for octet. In a question, generally they mention then pair, quad and octet all, because if you know the pair, then quad and octet already automatically covered, because with the help of pair only, because 2 if you can consider, then the program the solution becomes easy and you can do it. But the question will say that all 3 will be mentioned that if there is a possibility of formation of quad or octet or pair, you have to give it. If there is an octet, you cannot go for a pair. Means here it is, you can go, this is a pair, these 2 are pair, and then but you can do these 2 are pair, but this one is the quad, 4. So that can be, or whole 8 and with the octet. So accordingly, but the question will mention 3 varieties, and you must use it at least 1 pair, 1 quad and 1 octet can be used in that particular question to solve it. Now I am coming how to solve this. Then only we will come to know exactly whatever. Now this is a map rolling. One more relationship we create. If the elements are like this, see this 4 corner like that way. So how we are going to take relationship? In that case, you have to do the map rolling. Means if the page, if you fold it, then these 2 cells come closer and these 2 cells come closer. If you take it, if you fold it otherwise also, these 2 cells come closer and these 2 cells come closer. So if there is this type of concept, this type of cells are there, then you can go for a map rolling. Means this cell and this cell we can consider as a map rolling element. This also can be considered as a map rolling element, and you can take the relationship. This is not a pair, quad like that way, but it is a pair, but it is a map rolling pair. It is not the normal pair side by side, but it is a, if you fold the page, then it comes together. So this type of concept is called the map rolling. Now we are coming how to solve it. See here, this is one sum. F ABCD equal to sum of product 2, 3, 8, 9, 14, 50 like that way questions are there. Now you have to solve it. What will come from there? Now in this case, this is the sum of product also are there. Product of sum also we have to do it. This is we are going for the sum of product from 2, 3, 8, 9. So why in this sum of product? So you have to write all 1 in that case. Here is that 2 means the M2. M2 is here. Here you have to write 1. Then 3 is here, then 8, 9, 8, 9, here it is, 8 and 9 it is here, and then 14, 15, 14, 15. So this is also like that. Now we have to, these are the cells we are representing. First you have to write the diagonals, then you have to write the m value in this corner like that way. These are the m values according to the diagonals whatever I wrote, and then after that what the cells they are asking, I put 1 because this is a sum of product expression. Sum of product. If it is product of sum, then you have to write 0. So sum of product. So 1 I wrote. These are the things. Now you can see we can make a relation. This we are making a relation. This is a pair. Here all are pair only. So you can write a pair like that. So this pair, if you say now how we are going to this considering now these two we have to consider, these two have to consider, and these two also. Now what is the solution like this? Now considering this is say M8 and M9, M8 and M9, we get what we are getting. M8 here this one is the equal to A B complement and then C complement D complement plus. So A B complement, our order is ABCD. That's why I am writing the AB part. Listen very carefully. As the order is ABCD, so that means first I write A. This cell means this and this multiplication. A B complement. This is A B complement and C complement D complement. This is over. Now this one A B complement C complement D. A B complement C complement D. A B complement C complement D. First I wrote the two cells. Now you see here A B complement C complement D complement and A B complement C complement D. From here, if you make a common is A B complement C complement. If you take common, then D complement plus D remains like that way. D complement plus D equal to 1. You can see D complement plus D equal to 1. If you want, I can show it here also. Say D plus D complement. Say this is your D and this is your D complement. So it can do D. If the D is 0, D complement will be 1. If D is 1, D complement will be 0. Now D complement plus D, you make a OR between these two. Or here both the cases 0. OR means if one of the switches is on, the power will go. So here power will go, here also power will go. So that means D complement plus equal to 1. So here it is 1. So that means it is coming A B complement C complement. That is the ultimate result. Now we will considering another two. So that is there. These two cells will go considering again. Considering then M15 and M14. M15 and M14. We get what we are getting. So I am rubbing this. Now what we are getting. So M14, M15, here it is A, B, C, D equal to A, B, C, D plus, see this is A, B and from there it is C, D. And here it is A, B, C, D complement. A, B, C, D complement. So from here you take A, B, C common and then D plus D complement. Then it is the A, B, C. So this much. Now we will go for one more there. Now I am just rubbing a little bit this side. This portion I am rubbing it. This is the answer. I am the first one answer. I am not writing because it is required at the end of this. Now again I am writing considering M3 and M2. M3 and M2 we get equal to M3, this is your M3, this is A complement B complement CD, A complement B complement CD plus here it is A complement B complement C D complement equal to what is there, A complement B complement common, then C also common, then D plus D complement. So that means here A complement B complement C is the answer of this. Now the entire answer it is, now we have to write entire answer. Therefore F A B C D equal to, first it was this one we got first one considering A B complement C complement plus second one is ABC and plus third one is the A complement B complement C. So this is the ultimate answer of this question. So this is this one. You can go further, any reduction is possible or not. Here we don't get any reduction further. A complement, B complement. No, you cannot go any more reduction. You cannot go. So this is the answer of this. When your answer is sum of product expression. But the same thing we can do it for product of sum expression also. Then this is the this one your this sum of product expression of the pairs. This is all pair. You see the pairs of sum of product expression. Now product of sum expression also we will do it next of the same sum. Now see the same sum I have changed into product of sum format. So this one are there. ABCD, the symbol is changed. Now values are same only. Now you see here what the symbol is changed. See here our diagram also changed. Here ABCD. Previous one was the A complement, B complement. Here it is A plus B. Both the complement became without complement and became OR. Like that way I changed. A complement, B complement. Previous one was A complement B. A complement B become A plus B complement. So like that way I changed the and the M values all are same only. M value will be same, and here according to their cells I will be writing 0 here. Remember this. These are the cells we will be writing 0. So this one. Now we have to do exactly same way. We will be considering say M8 and M9. Considering here you have to write capital M, M8 and M9. Remember this all these changes. M8 I didn't write any M inside, but the values on the road. Now M8 and M9 we get M8. This is M8. Here it is A complement plus B and C plus D. This is 8 A complement plus B and C plus D, and now here it is this one A complement plus B, A complement plus B and C plus D complement plus C plus D complement. These two I am getting it here. And now we have to sort out. There is one formula. This is called absorption law. X plus Y and X plus Y complement equal to X. You can sort it out with the help of truth table. Also you can find it out. X complement X plus Y, and this is possible. You will get it. Here I will be applying this here. X plus Y and X plus Y complement. You see here in this case, here it is A complement plus B plus C, and this you can separate. A complement B plus C, you can separate it. This you consider this is your X and this is your Y. This is your X and this is your Y. And then what will come in X. So complement. This one is the complement there. These are the complement. So this will go. So ultimately we will getting A complement plus B plus C is the short form of this. You have to just write here, but using or you can write this formula beside. Applying X plus Y and X plus Y complement equal to X. These rules, what rules you are following, that you have read, and this all this X and all you cannot write underneath. You have to for your so that you understand. I break it up like this. So this group you consider X. This is your Y. This group you consider X. This is your Y. So then X plus Y and X plus Y complement, that means equal to the X. So then it will, what will come? This is the answer. Exactly same way considering M14 and 15. M14 and M15. We get M14. What we are getting here? It is A complement plus B complement plus C complement plus D complement. All are complement. And here it is A complement plus B complement plus C complement plus D. Now you see here exactly same formula. If we apply D and D, the changes are there. So that means your answer will be A complement plus B complement plus C complement. You can write exactly same thing. Once again you write it here. Same as you are taking 1 second as a student. You will applying this equal to this. So directly you can write. Again you can, the third one again you can write considering another one. Last pair, considering considering M3 and M2, and M2, we get what we are getting, M3 A plus B plus C complement plus D complement, and another one is here A plus B plus C complement plus D. Here also you can write it, here D and D complement is that difference are there, these three are the same, so that means A plus B plus C complement. So now ultimate result, we will be writing the ultimate result out here. Now the ultimate result equal to, this is your first one, therefore F A B C D equal to this is the first one, A complement plus B plus C. This is the second one, A complement plus B complement plus C complement, and the third one, A plus B plus C complement, A plus B plus C complement. So this is your final answer, that is the answer of this. To solve, this is the solution of this sum. So with the, you have to draw everything exactly what I wrote, everything you have to write, then only the 5 marks are there, accordingly you will be getting. Here I showed only the pairs. Now next I'll pair in the sum of product form and product of sum form. Both I showed you with the pair. Now like that way, quad I'll say and octet also I'll show, sum of product form next class.